Hello students! Today we'll dive into some important MCQs from our history syllabus. René Descartes said, "Never accept anything as truth until all doubts are resolved." So, we will resolve all your doubts. Let us begin with Chapter 1, Historiography, Development in the West. Question 1. According to Dash, human history is the history of class struggle. 2024. Options: A. Voltaire, B. George Wilhelm Friedrich Hegel, C. Leopold von Ranke, D. Karl Marx. The correct answer is option D, Karl Marx. Now question 2. It may be said that Dash was the founder of modern historiography. 2022. A. Voltaire, B. René Descartes, C. Leopold von Ranke, D. Karl Marx. And the correct answer is A. Voltaire. Now question 3. According to whom should one never accept anything as the truth until all doubts are resolved? Options: A. René Descartes, B. Karl Marx, C. Voltaire, D. Herodotus. As we mentioned earlier, the correct answer is A. René Descartes. Question 4. Who wrote the book Archaeology of Knowledge? SQP. Options: A. Karl Marx, B. Michel Foucault, C. Lucien Febvre, D. Voltaire. The correct answer is B. Michel Foucault wrote the book Archaeology of Knowledge. Now question 5. Whose thoughts greatly influenced the historiography of the 19th century? A. Karl Marx, B. Voltaire, C. George Hegel, D. Leopold von Ranke. And the correct answer is D. The thoughts of Leopold von Ranke greatly influenced the historiography of the 19th century. Let us see some important MCQs from Chapter 2. Historiography, Indian Traditions. Question 1. Who was the first Director General of the Archaeological Survey of India? 2022. A. Alexander Cunningham, B. William Jones, C. John Marshall, D. Frederick Max Muller. The correct answer is A. Alexander Cunningham. Question 2. The first book written by a British historian on Indian history is Dash. The options are A. The History of India, B. The History of Maharaj, C. The History of British India, D. The Sacred Books of the East. And the correct option is C. The History of British India. Now question 3. The Sanskrit text Hitopadesha was translated into German by Dash. 2023. A. James Mill, B. Frederick Max Muller, C. Mount Stuart Elphinstone, D. Sir John Marshall. And the correct answer is B. Frederick Max Muller. Question 4. Dash and V.K. Rajwade expose the limitations in the writings of Grand Duff. Options: A. Frederick Max Muller, B. Colonel Todd, C. Neelkant Janardhan Kirtani, D. William Wilson Hunter. And the correct answer is C. Neelkant Janardhan Kirtani and V.K. Rajwade. Question 5. Who wrote Stri Purush Tulna? A. Meera Kosambi, B. Dr. Sharmila Rege, C. Tarabai Shinde, D. Pandita Ramabai. And the correct answer is C. Tarabai Shinde. The National Archives is in Delhi, but we will help you archive your legendary report card with our MCQs from Chapter 3, Applied History. Question 1. Dash is considered the mother of science and all other subjects. 2023. Options: A. Philosophy, B. Ethics, C. History, D. Genealogy. And the correct answer is A. Philosophy. Next question, question 2. Who conducted the excavations of the city of Ur in Mesopotamia? A. Nathaniel Wallach, B. Annie Goldie, C. Leonard Woolley, D. Sir John Marshall. And the correct answer is C. Leonard Woolley. Question 3. The earliest museum in the world was discovered in the excavations at the city of Dash. A. Delhi, B. Harappa, C. Ur, D. Kolkata. And the correct answer is C. Ur. Now question 4. The National Archives of India is in Dash. 2020-2019. Options: A. Mumbai, B. Chennai, C. Delhi, and D. Kolkata. And the correct answer is C. Delhi. Now next question, question 5. INTACH, that's INTAC, is actively working in the field of conservation and preservation of dash. And the options are A. Cultural heritage, B. Museums, C. Monuments, D. National treasure. And the correct answer is A. Cultural heritage. Hey, have you ever wondered what Raja Ravi Verma would paint if he saw the drama in your Telegram groups? Well, we can only explain the MCQs from Chapter 4, Indian Arts. Question 1. The arts of painting and sculpting are dash. A. Visual arts, B. Performing arts, C. Folk arts, D. Classical arts. The correct answer is A. Visual arts. Now question 2. Who wrote Natya Shastra? A. Bharat Muni, B. Vyas, C. Kalidas, D. Bana. And the correct answer is A. Bharat Muni. Question 3. Who made the replicas of Ajanta paintings? A. Pestonji Bomanji, B. Gangaram Tambat, C. Raja Ravi Verma, D. James Wales. And the correct answer is A. Pestonji Bomanji. Question 4. The dash period saw the rise of the Mathura school, 2024. A. Kushana period, B. Gupta period, C. Rashtrakuta period, D. Maurya period. And the correct answer is A. Kushana period. Question 5. Which are the two main branches of Indian classical music? A. Folk music and vocal, B. Dadra and Thumri, C. Bhajans and Qawwalis, D. Hindustani music and Carnatic music. And the correct answer is D. Hindustani music and Carnatic music. Our MCQs from Chapter 5, Mass Media and History, will not let your brain turn into a fossil. Question 1. The first English newspaper in India was started by dash, 2019-2022. A. James Augustus Hickey, B. Sir John Marshall, C. Alan Hume, D. Bal Shastri Jambekar. And the correct answer is A. The first newspaper in India was started by James Augustus Hickey. Question 2. Which newspaper was started by Agarkar and Lokmanya Tilak? A. Deen Bandhu and Indu Prakash, B. Darpan and Prabhakar, C. Dhyanoday and Digdarshan, D. Kesari and Maratha. The correct answer is D. Kesari and Maratha newspapers were started by Agarkar and Lokmanya Tilak. Now question 3. Akashvani come under the Ministry of Dash of the Indian government. A. Social Welfare, B. Human Resource and Development, C. Information and Broadcasting, D. Education Technology. And the correct answer is C. Akashvani comes under the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting of Indian government. Question 4. Who started Digdarshan, the first monthly magazine in Marathi? A. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, B. Lokmanya Tilak, C. Narayan Meghaji Lokhande, D. Bal Shastri Jambekar. The correct answer is D. Bal Shastri Jambekar started Digdarshan, the first monthly magazine in Marathi. Now question 5. The letters Shatpatre published in Prabhakar were written by dash. A. Lokmanya Tilak, B. Lokhitwadi, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Justice Ranade. The correct answer is B. The letters Shatpatre published in Prabhakar were written by Lokhitwadi. Sometimes I wonder if history is the original Bollywood film. So, here we have MCQs from Chapter 6, Entertainment and History. Question 1. In Dashavatara shows, characters representing gods use dash masks. A. Paper, B. Wooden, C. Brass, D. Iron. And the correct answer is B. In Dashavatara shows, characters representing gods use wooden masks. Question 2. Who is known as the father of Marathi theatre? A. Vijay Kirtane, B. Dattopant Patvardhan, C. Vishnudas Bhave, D. Anna Sahib Kirloskar. The correct answer is C. Vishnudas Bhave is known as the father of Marathi theatre. Question 3. In India, who was the first person to make a cine camera? A. Anand Rao Painter, B. Babu Rao Painter, C. Dada Sahib Torne, D. Dada Sahib Phalke. The correct answer is A. Anand Rao Painter was the first person to make a cine camera. Question 4. Who started the tradition of having a complete written script? A. V.J. Kirtane, B. Vishnudas Bhave, C. Shripad Krishna Kolhatkar, D. Govind Ballal Deval. And the correct answer is A. V.J. Kirtane started the tradition of having a complete written script. Now question 5. Who was the first Kirtankar in Maharashtra? A. Sant Dhyaneshwar, B. Sant Tukaram, C. Sant Namdev, D. Sant Eknath. And the correct answer is C. Sant Namdev was the first Kirtankar in Maharashtra. Okay, do you remember when Major Dhyan Chand dribbled his way into history? And we can too with the MCQs from Chapter 7, Sports and History. So question 1. The ancient event of Olympic competitions used to be held at dash 2019. A. Greece, B. Rome, C. India, D. China. And the correct answer is A. Greece. Now question 2. The wooden dolls made in Maharashtra are known as dash 2023. A. Thaki, B. Kali Chandika, C. Gangavati, D. Champavati. And the correct answer is A. Thaki. Question 3. The National Sports Day of India is celebrated on the birth date of dash. A. Kashaba Jadhav, B. Sachin Tendulkar, C. Major Dhyan Chand, D. Bal J. Pandit. The correct answer is C. Major Dhyan Chand. Question 4. Who wrote the play Mrichakatika, which means a clay cart? A. Harshavardhan, B. Shudrak, C. Bhavabhuti, D. Kalidas. And the correct answer is B. Shudrak. Question 5. An interesting description of games and toys is found in dash. A. Shakuntala, B. Panchatantra, C. Mrichakatika, D. Katha Sarit Sagar. The correct answer is D. Katha Sarit Sagar. Before Google Maps, there was Thomas Cook. And before your exams, you have top scholars with MCQs from Chapter 8, Tourism and History. Question 1. Thomas Cook established a travel agency selling dash 2024-2019. A. Handicrafts, B. Toys, C. Food items, D. Tourist tickets. And the correct answer is D. Tourist tickets. Question 2. Who successfully circumnavigated Europe? A. Marco Polo, B. Thomas Cook, C. Benjamin of Tudela, D. Gerardus Mercator. And the correct answer is B. Thomas Cook. Question 3. Bhilar is known as the village of dash 2024 and 2022. A. Books, B. Plants, C. Mangoes, D. Forts. And the correct answer is A. Books. Question 4. The Chinese monk who travelled to India in 630 CE was dash. A. Hunsang, B. Yuan Shuang, C. Fa Hein, D. Ho Chi Minh. And the correct answer is A. Huansang. Question 5. The number of people travelling back and forth from India has increased considerably because of dash. A. India's first war of independence, B. India's independence, C. Economic liberalization, D. Good railway services. And the correct answer is C. Economic liberalization. Did you know the Indian Museum is so old, even history feels young inside it? Well, here are your MCQs for Chapter 9, Heritage Management. So question 1. The Louvre Museum has the much acclaimed painting of dash by Leonardo da Vinci in its collection. 2024. A. Napoleon, B. Mona Lisa, C. Hans Sloane, D. George II. And the correct answer is B. Mona Lisa. Question 2. Dash in Kolkata is the first museum in India. A. Government Museum, B. National Museum, C. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangralaya, D. Indian Museum. The correct answer is D. Indian Museum. Question 3. Dash, a natural scientist, handed over about 71,000 objects in his collection to the British Museum. A. Sir Hans Sloane, B. King George II, C. Napoleon Bonaparte, D. King Francis I. And the correct answer is A. Sir Hans Sloane. Question 4. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangralaya was built to commemorate the visit of dash. A. King George I, B. Queen Elizabeth, C. Prince Charles, D. Prince of Wales. And the correct answer is D. Prince of Wales. Question 5. Dash prepared during the reign of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is considered an important encyclopedia. A. Bharatiya Vyavhar Kosh, B. Raja Vyavhar Kosh, C. Vyavharik Kosh, D. Bharatiya Prachin Charitra Kosh. And the correct answer is B. Raja Vyavhar Kosh. Well, Raja Vyavhar Kosh was the Google of Shivaji Maharaj's time, except it never crashed. All the best!